How's the video? This is Kitty. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello, hello, hello. Alright, y'all, we about to get into this no makeup look / no lashes. But before we can get into the no makeup look, we have to get into this hair. Now, I have not taken this off my head in about 24 hours. Okay, it's not that bad. Oh, it's not bad at all. Okay, it's not bad at all. All it needs is a nice little, what's that TikTok? All it needs is a little bit of shaping. To the salon. Run your fingers through some calf. Run your fingers through some calf. That's all I need. Alright, so let's get into this no makeup look. So we're also going to achieve this in 10 minutes. Alexa, shuffle Rod Wave.
Rod Wave from Apple Music.
And there you have it, a 10-minute everyday little beat, not too much, no makeup look, no foundation, no lashes, no nothing, just ting. All right guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss anything. I will have all the products that I use linked below in the description box. Make sure you share this video to somebody who might need it. Again, this is my beginner journey, so I might be doing something right and I might be doing something wrong, but if I'm doing something wrong, don't be afraid to tell me, girl, because I love constructive criticism. All right, bye-bye.
Yeah.